Hey everyone. So continuing this series of going over the Databricks CLI, in this video I'll show the Databricks File System set of commands within the CLI. And the Databricks File System is just a way to upload and read data within your Databricks notebook. So getting started, we'll do Databricks FS, and the first thing that you can do with it is that you can look at what all is on your Databricks file system using the ls command. And this is color coded, and the blue items here are folders, and the one white text here is just a single file. And not only just the root of the Databricks file system I can look at, I can also look at individual folders just typing in the folder name. However, this is going to error out because whenever you reference an item inside the Databricks file system, you need to prefix it with a DBFS : / in front of it. There we go. So I only have one file in this directory here. And the best thing you're going to use to CLI for the Databricks file system is to be able to copy files from your local system to the Databricks file system or vice versa. And to do that, you do the Databricks fscp command to copy. And I have a data.csv file on my local system, and I'm going to put that in the Databricks file system's new directory. And if I look at this directory again, you can see that that CSV file got copied over. And I can also move files between different locations of the Databricks file system by using the mv command. So I'll look at the new directory, data.csv, and I will copy that over to the new directory 2 and set it as data.csv. And it helps if you put everything in the correct casing and type the name in correctly. There we go. Finally it worked. So we can look at this as well to make sure it copied over or moved over, and we see that it's in the new directory. We can use the Databricks CLI to make new directory using the mkdirs command. Use the new dir. And here as well we need to prepend the folder with the DBFS. And we can look at this to make sure that it got created. And there it is. And we can also use the rm command to remove files off of our DBFS. So DBFS new directory 2 data.csv. And if we look at it, you see we have nothing in that directory anymore. And we can actually remove entire folders by putting in the -r and make it to the root of the folder instead of the file name as well. So now that directory should be gone, and there it is, it's gone. So that's just a quick overview of all the commands you can do with the Databricks file system commands within Databricks CLI. So there'll be some more videos on the CLI, so look out for those, and thanks for watching.